Which country does not share a border with Russia? A. Estonia. B. Belarus. C. Finland. D. Austria. Answer. D. Austria. Austria does not share a border with Russia. Estonia, Belarus, and Finland all share borders with Russia. Which South American country shares a border with both Brazil and Argentina? A. Chile. B. Peru. C. Paraguay. D. Colombia. Answer. C. Paraguay. Paraguay shares borders with both Brazil and Argentina. Chile, Peru, and Colombia do not share borders with both. Which African country shares borders with both Libya and Sudan? A. Chad. B. Egypt. C. Niger. D. Ethiopia. Answer. A. Chad. Chad shares borders with both Libya and Sudan. Egypt does not share a border with Sudan, Niger does not share a border with Libya, and Ethiopia is not adjacent to either. Which country shares the longest border with the United States? A. Mexico. B. Canada. C. Cuba. D. Russia. Answer. B. Canada. Canada shares the longest border with the United States, known as the longest undefended border in the world. Which European country shares a border with Spain and France? A. Portugal. B. Andorra. C. Monaco. D. Italy. Answer. B. Andorra. Andorra shares borders with both Spain and France. Portugal does not share a border with France, Monaco does not border Spain, and Italy is not adjacent to Spain. Which Asian country shares a border with both Russia and North Korea? A. Japan. B. Mongolia. C. China. D. South Korea. Answer. C. China. China shares borders with both Russia and North Korea. Mongolia borders Russia but not North Korea, and South Korea does not share a border with Russia. Which country shares a border with both India and Pakistan? A. Afghanistan. B. Nepal. C. Bangladesh. D. Myanmar. Answer. A. Afghanistan. Afghanistan shares borders with both India and Pakistan. Nepal and Bangladesh do not share a border with Pakistan, and Myanmar does not share a border with India. Which country shares borders with both Italy and Austria? A. Switzerland. B. Slovenia. C. Hungary. D. France. Answer. A. Switzerland. Switzerland shares borders with both Italy and Austria. Slovenia borders Italy but not Austria, Hungary borders Austria but not Italy, and France does not share borders with Austria and Italy. Which country in Europe does not share a border with Germany? A. France. B. Poland. C. Netherlands. D. Italy. Answer. D. Italy. Italy does not share a border with Germany. France, Poland, Netherlands, Switzerland, and Austria all have borders with Germany. Which country shares a border with both Sweden and Finland? A. Norway. B. Denmark. C. Estonia. D. Latvia. Answer. A. Norway. Norway shares borders with both Sweden and Finland. Denmark does not share a border with Sweden or Finland, and Estonia and Latvia are to the east of Finland. Which South Asian country shares a border with both India and Bhutan? A. Nepal. B. Bangladesh. C. Myanmar. D. Sri Lanka. Answer. A. Nepal. Nepal shares borders with both India and Bhutan. Bangladesh does not share a border with Bhutan, Myanmar does not border Bhutan, and Sri Lanka is an island nation. Which country in Central America shares borders with both Honduras and Costa Rica? A. Nicaragua. B. Guatemala. C. El Salvador. D. Belize. Answer. A. Nicaragua. Nicaragua shares borders with both Honduras and Costa Rica. Guatemala, El Salvador, and Belize do not share borders with both. Which European country shares borders with both Germany and France? A. Belgium. B. Luxembourg. C. Netherlands. D. Switzerland. Answer. D. Switzerland. Switzerland shares borders with both Germany and France. Belgium and Luxembourg border France and Germany, but not both countries directly, and Netherlands borders Germany but not France. Which country shares borders with both Brazil and Argentina but not Chile? A. Bolivia. B. Uruguay. C. Peru. D. Paraguay. Answer. D. Paraguay. Paraguay shares borders with Brazil and Argentina but not Chile. Bolivia also shares borders with Brazil and Argentina, but not with Chile. Uruguay borders Argentina but not Brazil or Chile, and Peru does not share a border with Argentina. Which country shares a border with both Afghanistan and Uzbekistan? A. Pakistan. B. Tajikistan. C. Turkmenistan. D. Iran. Answer: C. Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan shares borders with both Afghanistan and Uzbekistan. Pakistan borders Afghanistan but not Uzbekistan, Tajikistan borders Uzbekistan but not Afghanistan, and Iran does not share borders with Uzbekistan. Which country in South America shares borders with both Colombia and Brazil? A. Venezuela. B. Guyana. C. Ecuador. D. Peru. Answer: D. Peru. Peru shares borders with both Colombia and Brazil. Venezuela borders Colombia but not Brazil, Guyana borders Brazil but not Colombia, and Ecuador borders Colombia but not Brazil. Which European country shares borders with both Hungary and Poland? A. Slovakia. B. Austria. C. Czech Republic. D. Romania. Answer: A. Slovakia. Slovakia shares borders with both Hungary and Poland. Austria does not border Poland, Czech Republic does not border Hungary, and Romania does not border Poland. Which country in North America shares borders with both Mexico and Canada? A. United States. B. Cuba. C. Belize. D. Bahamas. Answer: A. United States. The United States shares borders with both Mexico and Canada. Cuba, Belize, and the Bahamas do not share borders with both. Which African country shares borders with both Zambia and Tanzania? A. Malawi. B. Angola. C. Zimbabwe. D. Mozambique. Answer: A. Malawi. Malawi shares borders with both Zambia and Tanzania. Angola, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique do not share borders with both countries. Which country shares borders with both Uzbekistan and Russia? A. Kazakhstan. B. Tajikistan. C. Turkmenistan. D. Kyrgyzstan. Answer: A. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan shares borders with both Uzbekistan and Russia. Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Kyrgyzstan do not share borders with Russia.